In part 1, we put a doorman at the entrance. He checks names against a list. But here's the problem, the doorman only checks the name, not whether the ID is genuine. If someone clones a tenant's name onto a fake ID, the doorman waves them right through. To close that gap, we need something stronger. We need the building's registration desk. When a new tenant moves into the apartment building, they don't just walk in and hand out their own key. They go to the registration desk, fill out their details, and the desk issues them an official key with a record attached, apartment number, tenant name, key ID. That record is saved. The desk knows exactly who is where, and what key they were given. That is DHCP snooping. DHCP snooping is a Cisco switch feature that monitors DHCP traffic on your network. When a device connects and requests an IP address, the switch intercepts that conversation and builds a binding table. A record that ties together the device's MAC address, the IP address it was assigned, and the port it's connected to. Think of it as the registration desk writing down, apartment 5B, John Doe, key number 00 to 1A, 2B, 3C, 4D, 5E, arrived Tuesday. The moment a rogue device tries to act as a DHCP server, handing out its own IP addresses and redirecting traffic, DHCP snooping shuts it down. Because only trusted ports are allowed to send DHCP offers. Everything else is treated as untrusted, and rogue DHCP responses from untrusted ports are dropped immediately. This is how man-in-the-middle attacks at the DHCP level are stopped before they start. To configure DHCP snooping, you enable it globally, define which VLANs it applies to, then mark your uplink ports, the ones facing your router or distribution layer, as trusted. Every other port, the ones facing end devices, stays untrusted by default. The binding table builds itself automatically as devices connect and request addresses. That table is what we'll use in part 3, because DHCP snooping doesn't just protect against rogue servers. It feeds the information that makes dynamic ARP inspection possible. The desk keeps the records. The camera uses them to catch the imposter.